Good day, full-timers. Today's project is I'm going to install a couple of aluminum awnings to shade my kitchen slide out. We're set up permanently at a desert RV park. Gets pretty hot here. I'm just trying to give my air conditioner and my refrigerator a little help staying cool. So we're going to unbox this so you can see how it comes. It's actually packaged fairly well. Foam. These are the support rods. Front brace, rear brace. The two center braces. The instructions that are not that great, the ones off the internet are actually better. These are my two side rails. Bag o' hardware. And these are the actual roof panels themselves. These panels go together in such a way that water can't get in them. You can see that's got a little curl in it. That also has a little curl. You start this end and slide them together. And you just take each panel and slide them together until you have a solid piece. Awning has to be assembled in a very specific order. You'll notice that this is an arrow. This arrow faces your house. You'll notice that arrow, that end piece actually slides onto the end roof panel, and then it will later attach to another piece that's mounted to the side of your house. This is the side edge. This side edge you slide on all the way up, then stand the awning up on its end, slide this piece on this lip. Then you can take the front and slide the front on the same way, and then you can attach the other side rail. Because these things slide so easily, the instructions say to take your vice grips and crimp each of these joints. That way they won't slide as bad when you're trying to put the side pieces in place. Because of the way this thing is built, trying to slide this thing on, I did not have the best luck sliding it per the instructions. So I used a slightly different method, similar to what I did on the other end. Just slowly bend it until everything goes into place. And for me, this worked much better than trying to slide it. We stopped the time lapse a little early because I was fighting this end, but the key is that you have to just kind of slowly work around the end, pushing down, and it'll come on. What's important is these two holes have to be outside the front trim piece, Next thing I'm going to do is put screws in all of these to hold this together, and then I can put the centerpieces on. So 2 screws at each end of these, 2 screws at each end of these, and then I'll put the center braces in. So the center braces are pre-drilled on the end of the brace and pre-drilled on the end piece that acts like a gutter. So the smart thing to do is to do this end first and then pull things down and do the other end. I've installed the center braces. Like I said, this end, everything is pre-drilled. So I measured from here to here, measured from here to here, and then put in these screws that are self-tapping. Next step is I'm going to go put this on the roof. I'll caulk behind it and let it set up, and then tomorrow, while it's cool, I'll put the rest of the awning up. One last step before I put this up on the roof. Not quite sure why, but they have this corner brace that they want you to add to each of the 2 corners that are up against the house. Something I thought about sitting there this morning drinking my coffee is it's easier to mount these support bars before putting the awning up. As you can see, I've cut this one to match that one because I'm combining 2 awnings together to make one big awning. Go. A little extra info here. When I built the other awning, I put these corner braces on the bottom. They seem to fit better on the top. The problem with putting them on the top is it makes this piece just a little bit thicker, and I had a hard time getting it into the track. I ended up removing these braces, putting the awning in the track, and reinstalling the braces. So everything's finished. One thing I did a little different here than you might do on a house is I spliced this in the middle and cut 2 rods. Other than that, this is all there is to it. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.